Well, Manatee County deputies are searching for the suspects involved in an armed robbery at the Walmart on State Road 64 in Bradenton, where the store manager was shot.
Our very own Megan Gannon reports from Bradenton with an update on how deputies say this could be linked to a similar armed robbery that happened in Palmetto.
We know that Manatee County deputies are now looking for 2 suspects when it comes to this armed robbery. 8 on Your Side spoke with a witness who was actually inside the Walmart when all of this unfolded, and she talks about the chaotic scene.
Heard loud commotion, and next thing I know, I'm looking and seeing this man turn and shoot at him in a loud pow, and everyone ran off and took off.
Manatee County deputies are now looking for these 2 men on your screen. Deputies say the 2 men entered Walmart and went to the customer service area, with one suspect acting as a lookout and the man in the orange hat demanding money. The store manager refused, and that's when the suspect pointed a gun at the manager's head and demanded money again, with the manager refusing. The first suspect tried to exit the store but fell before leaving. When he got up, that's when he fired 1 round, hitting the manager in the leg. Manatee County deputies say the suspect's descriptions appear to match a similar armed robbery that happened at Publix on 8th Avenue in Palmetto, where police say a man flashed a silver pistol at the customer service center, demanding a bag of money, and he also pistol whipped a cashier. Now, no one else was injured here last night at Walmart during that shooting, and we are told that the store manager is expected to be okay. But of course, at this time, Manatee County deputies are looking for more information on those 2 suspects. So if you know anything, you are asked to call the Manatee County Sheriff's Office.